Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz hints that the SEC lawsuit hasn't affected the price movements of XRP in any way. However, a band of XRP enthusiasts and members of the XRP army disagree with the ex-hedge fund manager of the Fortress Investment Group. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The SEC has held back the American crypto market from leading the world in innovation in the emerging blockchain technological sphere, giving China and other countries a free pass to outcompete us in critical technologies and these other responsibilities that naturally befall on us. And instead of enacting more regulatory clarity for digital assets that would allow US-based crypto firms to blossom here at home, the SEC continues to issue lawsuit threats to leading crypto companies in the US, such as Coinbase and in the case of Ripple Labs, which the financial regulators eventually sued. The SEC's irregular regulatory structure heightened during the regime of the Commission's former chair, Jake Layton, who, together with the then Director of Corporation Finance at the SEC, William Hinman, exhibited actions that would have not only set us back in terms of progress in the digital asset class and more significant innovation in cryptocurrencies, they've made us more vulnerable, weaker, and less resilient as a nation. Michael Edward Novogratz, who is currently the CEO of Galaxy Investment Partners, shared his observations regarding the performance of XRP since the start of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. This was disclosed via the Twitter handle of the billionaire investor, just as he was drawn to the fact that the price of XRP has managed to triple since the United States Securities and Exchange Commission sued the San Francisco-based blockchain company, and brought to our attention through a response to a tweet from one of XRP Army's pro bono lawyers, attorney John Deaton, who'd quoted the Fox Business reporter's earlier tweet. At the same time, Charles Gasparino, representing Fox Business, reposted a publication regarding the SEC's mischief, just as Rosalind Lane of Forbes had earlier recognized at the start of the lawsuit. And now the New York Post is covering the SEC's corruption against Ripple and XRP. According to Mike Novogratz, the XRP army has been the primary reason why the SEC lawsuit hasn't affected the growth rate of XRP. Instead, as we witness an emerging phenomenon of community resilience from the members of the XRP army, the price of XRP has tripled amid the SEC lawsuit. Mike Novogratz added that despite increased scrutiny by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the tenacity of the XRP community has made the price of XRP thrive even further. Mike Novogratz has always been highly critical of XRP. This makes it no surprise to hear the famous hedge funder liken the resilience of other cryptocurrency communities to that of Ripple, citing the case of GameStop, whose stock rose to more extraordinary highs following the efforts of an army of retail traders on Reddit during the start of the year. And other such examples as the meme-faced cryptocurrency Dogecoin have garnered the most significant year-to-date gains across the board, all thanks to Elon Musk and his band of crypto community pundits. At the time of the suit's filing, XRP was trading between 20 and 30 cents, nearly a third of its current price. While the U.S. Financial Regulatory Agency initially filed its lawsuit against the founders of the XRP coin, Ripple Labs, in December 2020, alleging the company had engaged in the sale of unregistered security tokens. Many asserted that XRP was never going to last a month afterward, that it was the end of the line for the remittance token. But the doggedness of the XRP community, through thick and thin, towards Ripple Labs has been the back of XRP. But the idea that the SEC's lawsuit hasn't affected Ripple is a fact that XRP enthusiasts don't agree with, because the case initially had the price dip from around 60 cents at the start of December to about 20 cents. Even though XRP soared to some incredible highs, registering attractive year-to-date gains, it sits among the 3 most significant cryptos on the top 10 charts with the most considerable yearly returns. Yet, the XRP community members disagree with the idea that their favorite token has not been affected by the SEC lawsuit in any way, seeing as the cryptocurrency has held off one of the most significant class actions throughout the financial sphere and the biggest against the blockchain project by a US regulator, and still firmly occupies its spot among the top 10 cryptos. Ranking as one of the most cryptocurrency platforms, the Ripple protocol is well liked among investors, financial institutions, and leading financial stakeholders such as the IMF, WEF, and the World Bank. Following a recent survey by the UK, XRP was found to be the biggest and most recognized within the region. In a recent news update, the UK Treasury and the Bank of England are going into talks to release the country's central bank digital currency, or CBDC, through a privately owned consortium known as the Digital Pound Foundation. Thus, the Bank of England recently established 2 forums to explore the creation of the digital pound, to be guided by Ripple, which will help specifically on the frontiers of technical and policy issues related to CBDCs. A few years before the lawsuit, directly from the Department of Homeland Security and the United States Treasury Department referring to the Ripple asset as a digital currency, with all these endorsements from these government agencies, I believe it's only a matter of time before the SEC's grip on this asset's growth starts to wither. The New York State Department of Financial Services, the branch of the New York State government in charge of regulating the financial services and products, had granted Ripple with a virtual currency license, now the 4th company with the BIT license. Considering all of that, we can now see why the court proceedings have been one of the fundamental factors for the recent surge in the price of XRP, contrary to what we had always thought. Given that, and following strategic and historic price actions exhibited by XRP, the price of this digital asset could hit the $10 mark before the end of the year, and even more in the future. Thus, from all indications, Ripple is expected to become the victor in the aftermath of this lawsuit. Also pertinent to note is that the relisting of XRP by these popular exchanges in the US and across the globe in the aftermath of the lawsuit would lead to an increased influx in its price. Given such positive news that would coincide with a positive outcome with the SEC litigation, the case is vital to introduce a triple-digit valuation for XRP. While the price of XRP initially plunged by 60% following a slew of trading suspension announcements from exchanges, the value of the Ripple asset has managed consistently to find its way back up. With over 350 partners and associates from around the globe, RippleNet, the arm of Ripple Labs, is still entering into newer partnerships, most of which require these financial institutions to incorporate the Ripple protocol or the platform's products, such as XRapid, XVIA, and XConnect, into their operations, as that would foster liquidity for quicker widespread adoption of the token on a global scale. XRP to $10 might seem like a far stretch, given the coin's continually renewed resistance to the $2 mark. But tell you what, we might be seeing those significant price pumps before the end of the year. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.